Good evening. The Minister for Education, Dr. Justin Valentin, visited 3 schools this morning at the start of the first term for this year. He was leading a delegation from his ministry. They visited English River and Beloni Secondary and Cascade Primary Schools, where they met the students who were starting a new school year. That is, Creche Year 1, Primary 1 pupils and Secondary 1 students. Beloni Secondary School, after almost 3 years of reconstruction, is now opened. The Principal Secretary for Educational Services, Merlin Hulantin, said that the students are very enthusiastic.
We are very satisfied with what we are seeing. The students are very happy, and what we appreciate the most is the number of parents who have turned out to support the schools, and we can see that the teachers are well prepared and ready to start the academic year for 2023.
Meanwhile, on Pralin, the head teacher of the Baie-Sainte-Anne Primary School, Monique L'Espérance, says everything went smoothly as Primary 1 pupils started class this morning. But before that, parents were required to attend a meeting which focused, amongst other things, on the COVID-19 vaccines for children from 5 to 11 years old. Mrs. L'Espérance says the responses from parents have been generally positive. Parents were required to sign a form to give their consent. Classes for children from Primary 2 to Primary 6 will start tomorrow. The police are investigating the death of a 17-month-old Emelian Jandal of Russian nationality, who, according to report, was left alone in a car with the air condition on in a gym's car park at Onsoyal whilst the parents were in the gym. That was on Saturday. When the mother came back 1.5 hours later, the boy was not responding. She went back to the gym to inform her husband, and they quickly sought assistance. Doctor and a medical team were not able to revive the boy at the Onsoyal Health Center. The couple is staying at a tourism establishment at Onsoyal since arriving here on holiday on the 14th of this month, and was expected to leave the country on the 31st of this month. The Agency for Social Protection says it has been able to implement most of the recommendations listed in the Auditor General report for 2021. During a press conference this afternoon, the CEO, Brenda Morin, said the recommendations have helped the agency to improve on the way it operates, and this has been noted in the Auditor General's report. She said that the agency has established a better working relationship with its partners, created an internal audit committee, transferred some services to relevant ministries and agencies, and established SOPs for welfare and home care payment. The CEO added that for this year, the agency plans to put in place an online system for data collection and to facilitate applicants' access to the ASP services. The system should be operational before the end of this year. We've come to the end of this news summary. Thank you for watching.